So today I'm going to show you how I made the steampunk elf coat. So I started by just picking up a velvety type jacket for a couple bucks in a secondhand shop, and it's kind of a gray color, but I like the shine to it, so that's why I picked it, and I also like the shape. And so the first thing I did was cut off the plastic buttons on the jacket, and then take a few metal ones from my large button collection that I inherited, and I took 3 of those and just sewed those in place of the plastic ones. And my jacket was actually a little bit too small for me, but I really liked the shape, so I took another strip of fabric and ran that down the middle. And so this is what the jacket looks like. It's wide open at the top. It's almost like an underbust corset, which is why I like the shape of it. So then I got some shiny green material. The shine is very similar to the jacket, that's why I got this material. And to make it part of the coat, just want to take a large piece of it and you want to sew it so it's just on the back part of the coat. You want to make sure that the front pieces are open so they can fold around. So only sew it to the back section of the coat, leaving the front open. So you'll end up with that, and then once that's on, you just want to fold it in a way that allows it to cascade, and just pin that in place. Do the same thing on the other side, and then you're just going to cut down where that fold is, making sure that it gets wider at the bottom, so it gives it a nice drapey flow. So I just hem that after I cut it, to give it a nice clean look. And so on the sleeves, you just want to cut off like 3 or 4 inches. And then take some more of the green fabric. You want a piece that's much bigger than the sleeve so that you can scrunch it up and sew it all the way around the base of the jacket sleeve. And doing that will allow the bottoms of it to widen out and look kind of drapey. So then I took some jingle bells and some gears, and I put the gears on the lapel and then sewed the jingle bells right on top of those. And I just hand sewed those on. Ended up with this crazy little elf costume.